tired. So far, okay naman ang labs niya, no? Yung huling pinakita niya sa akin na creatinine was October 16, no? 1.2. So, yung ngayon, technically, 1.2 pa rin ito, eh. So, stable naman siya. Like what I told you, may dala ba kayo ng lumang mga creatinine niya? Di ba pinapadala ko sa'yo yun? Oo. Dito, yung record niya, Feb 24. Ito, ni-note ko, 100. So, medyo elevated na for 1 year. So, most likely, baka may chronic kidney disease na rin siya, no? Saka yung protina niya, ang dami eh. Plus, may protein na rin siya ng February 24.
1947.
Sige. So, sa urinalysis niya, dapat gitna yung kinokollect, no? Clean catch na midstream. Marami pa kasing epithelial cells, eh. So, baka beginning pa rin yung ihi. So, confounding factor siya bakit may 6 to 8 na WBC. Kasi poor catch ang tawag namin dito, no? And then, dito sa liver, nakita na ba to dati?
Wala. Wala naman nabanggit sa akin yan.
Pero nakapag-pa-ultrasound na siya before? Or ngayon lang na nag-request ako?
Ngayon lang nag-request.
Okay. Kasi pag sinabing mass, medyo malaki eh. 7
So, may mass
cm.
sa liver.
Oo.
So, anong...
Natulog na ako.
Usually we do this to confirm via CT scan, triphasic CT scan. No? Yun nga lang, syempre, kapag yung creatinine niya medyo medyo elevated and mababa yung GFR or yung kidney function, medyo hesitant tayo i-clear readily. Pero kung kailangan, gagawin natin. But yun nga, you have to discuss this with your other siblings. Kung she's 85, kung anong, kasi usually kapag ganito ang picture, ganito ang report, most likely malignant. Most likely, oo. So, we'll have to do a CT scan to confirm, and then you'll also have to see a gastroenterologist para the gastro can explain to you the other options. But usually, we all know if it's malignant, it's either surgical and then radio and then chemotherapy. No, for age, yun nga, sabi ko sa inyo, you have to discuss it with the family. What's the plan? Kung ganun yung magiging findings, how far are you willing to be aggressive in terms of the treatment for this? Diba?
Usually ba anong treatment for that?
Like what I mentioned, surgical, chemo, radio. So, yung sa kidneys niya, although may signs na ng chronic kidney disease, hindi pa shrunken yung kidneys niya, no? Okay pa siya. Ito yung ating, kasi malaki to eh. More or less, ganyan kalaki. Para pongkan.
How big is it, no? Mga...
Pongkan, 7.8.
Okay. So for that, I need to see
Okay, tulog na ako.
a gastro.
You need to see who's this? Yours?
No.
Baka masama sa Yeah, you need to see a gastroenterologist for evaluation nito. But of course, like what I told you, yun ang sasabihin sa'yo, let's work it up. Because this is just suggestive. The CT scan kasi, para ka nanood ng LED, mas malinaw, makikita whatever they're looking for. But for it to register sa ultrasound na malaking ganito, most likely, yung probability for malignancy is a little bit high. Yun. So, ang plan is...
What do you call it? Just a mass or you call it a tumor? What do you call it?
It's actually a mass if it's this big. If it's more than 3 centimeters. No? And usually, yun nga, yung whatever mass you find, whether it's in the liver or wherever in the body, ang step dyan is to confirm it first. Confirmatory test like CT scan, biopsy. I don't know if they'll still biopsy this kasi liver is very vascular, madugo. So, probably they'll just need a CT scan and then bahala na yung gastro if ano yung plan for this. Kasi this is outside my scope. Kaya nga, I'm suggesting you go to a gastro.
Interstate kidney.
Kidney-wise, okay naman tayo, except nga yung tumataas na yung creatinine niya, di ba? I explained to you, 44, ang normal is 100% above. For her age, 85, at least 70 to 80 pa dapat kung normal. So, 44 is a little bit low, kaya chronic kidney disease. Okay, so yon. Let me know whatever the plan of the gastro. Kasi if it's a CT scan, then you'll have to come back for a clearance. Kasi hindi siya papayagan mag-CT scan without nephro clearance. Kasi nga, the dye that they will use for the contrast, hindi kasi pwedeng plain para ka lang nag-ultrasound pag plain. But if with contrast, mas delineated yung structures. If may kalat, makikita din. No? So, CT scan, yung contrast nun, it's cleared by the kidneys. So, kung 44% lang yung natitira niyang kidney function, most likely may mga matitirang hindi ma-filter ni kidney, and that can irritate the kidney and cause further elevation ng creatinine. Usually, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, kumbaga reversible naman yung cause na yon. No? Kung tumaas man siya, we expect it to go down probably within a month or two. No? And the risk for worsening of kidney function due to contrast, since above 30% pa siya, maliit lang, less than 20% yung risk na ganun ang mangyayari. But you have to discuss it with your family first kung anong next step nyo. Kasi if you want it worked up, you want it confirmed, the gastro can explain to you yung mga next step. As for the kidney, hindi naman siguro siya nag-feed on protein, no? I mean, on red meat masyado.
Yeah.
You just do chicken, seafoods, cheese, milk, okay lang yon. Those would be her source of protein. But from red meat, limited lang. Limit as in bite size lang. Okay, don't give her any ibuprofen, mefenamic, diclofenac. You just give paracetamol if she has some pain. And then regular check-up with me every 3 months lang. Or whenever
so, yung
she
meat
feels.
niya, no. Ang meat, very. Kasi usually during the day.
Much box size.
Ganun.
Oo, yun lang yung acceptable.
Ano?
Bawal ka na sa chicken.
No, chicken is okay.
Chicken and fish ka na lang.
Chicken and fish.
Yes, pwedeng pork, pero ganito lang, bite size lang.
Bite size lang.
Okay? And then, I'll see you probably after a month.
Okay.
Ang goal ninyo is to go see a gastroenterologist.
Can you recommend anyone?
Dr. De La Cuesta. I-check na lang yung schedule niya. No?
So, I'll just show you this again.
Yeah, you show this one. Tapos, since I'm going to see her after a month, if makita na siya ng gastro and meron mga bagong result, you just bring it on her follow-up so I'll know. No? Kasi sometimes when the liver has problem, the kidney also suffers. Okay?
As for regards, so no additional medicines?
I'll probably just give her sodium bicarbonate for the kidneys. Is she eating enough?
Yes.
Malakas bang kumain? Sige.
So, for the cardio, can I see a cardio na rin with regards sa BP niya or?
Technically, yung BP naman niya ngayon controlled 1/4. Oo. But if you want
So, yung sa afternoon
oo. If you want a cardio, probably sige. I can recommend my husband.
Tulog na.
If you want.
Sabi